kind of burns up the face. Oh my god, I use too much. Oh. Hi guys, trying to be as quiet as possible. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sashelle, and today I have something completely different for you, and this is a very quick video because one of my fellow YouTubers challenged me to the 5-minute makeup challenge. Well, not challenge me, but she nominated me to do this. And I guess being someone who does makeup and is a little bit more advanced in the makeup community, I'm gonna have a lot of persons who are really looking out for this one and hoping that I do well. Me on the other hand, at first I was like, impossible, this can't happen because my eyebrows alone takes more than 5 minutes. But I thought, like, since being a mom, and other than the other day when I filmed my, normally the only time I really do put on makeup like that is when I do my relaxer updates and so forth, and you know, I get dolled up because I do my hair. But otherwise than that, I haven't really putting on makeup, and if I do say I'm going in town, I just grab a quick routine and then I go out. So I thought, you know, this routine may possibly should be able to take me to 5 minutes. So let us go into that and see what we come up with. I'm not sure what is the rules regarding this, what you should do, but I'm trying to do all of the steps that I normally do in my makeup routine. So I do my brows first, then I do my eyeshadow, then I will do my foundation. Most times I don't really highlight. Normally I just do a little bronzing, put on my lashes, and then I will do my lips, and yeah, I'm good to go with that. But I'm gonna skip lashes because we know I didn't see none of the persons who do this actually put on lashes, and lashes does take a little time, so I'm gonna cheat with that one. I'm not gonna put on any lashes. But let us see what we accomplish in this one. For some reason, I'm not doubting it too much. I think I'll be able to pull this off because one, I'm not gonna use liquid foundation, and when I'm normally going in town, like if I'm just running in town, I'm gonna go a quick run, or if I'm gonna go to work, I normally just do powder foundation. I don't go with the liquid foundation. So this is kind of normal and natural to me. So let us see if I can still do this in 5 minutes. So I'm using my phone, so I'm gonna use my laptop here, and I'm gonna set the timer on my laptop, and let us see. Hold on, let me start this. All right, so I'm now recording on my laptop. Yeah, I'm kind of nervous because persons are gonna be, I'm disappointed in Sashelle. I'm expecting her to do well, but guys, my makeup game is very sloppy these days. All right, so let us start. Oh yes, it's going. So first and foremost, I'm gonna go in with the brows. I'm just gonna line them very quickly. Guys, I think the trick with this is just not to be nervous, because if you do be nervous, then it's gonna kill out a lot of the times. So I'm really trying to keep my composure here. All right, draw the brows, and I normally don't have to do any highlights on the brows, so I'm gonna skip that portion, because if I don't, I literally will be on the brows. So I'm just enjoying them as best as possible so that I don't have to do highlight, and I normally do that a lot of times when I'm just doing a quick run. So I just be very neat with how I draw them in, so I don't have to go in and do any highlighting. So pretty much that is that. How much we are already 1 minute past our time, can you believe it? Yeah, we're gonna have to work with that. And then now I'm gonna go in, I'm going to just do a little bit of what do I call this again, eyeshadow. Oh my god, I can't talk. Oh my god, I can't find my eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna have to use this one. I'm going in with this color here, and I'm going in with the very crease, and I'm putting that into the crease area. Oh my god, this is not the correct palette. Guys, I shouldn't have picked up this palette. This is the wrong palette. But guys, let us see if we can make it work, because I don't have a dark color. Normally I go with a dark color on my in the palette. Oh my god, we're almost 2 minutes in, guys. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use this darker what do you call this again, guys? We can't even talk. My god, this is the darker foundation color, I'm gonna apply that into the crease over that one, and then I'm gonna go in with a lighter color. I'm gonna go on my lid right here. I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna apply that onto my lid. Guys, we are down to 3 minutes, right? So I think, my god, this is such the wrong brush. All right guys, what I normally do, just press my face. So when you apply the powder, it goes on like cream and it kind of sets in. So this is my perfect shade, and I'm gonna go in on top of it while it's still wet, and I get the areas that have the blemishes first. Guys, we are almost at, we're at 2 minutes and 12. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, get under the net, guys. Don't get a mask face doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. We still have to keep the principles, guys. All right. I go in with a darker color just to kind of bronze up the face. Oh my god, I use too much. Oh. I am stressed out. We're at 1 minute and 38. That means that we only have like a minute left. All right, go down to the nose because we can't skip making our nose as straight as possible. Bronze on the face, go down there, and we're at 1 minute and 24, guys. Oh my god, oh my god. So I'm just bronzing up the face so we don't look like we are wearing a mask so much. Going on the areas that we need our shadows. Going on the neck. Guys, these are the worst eyebrows you ever see me do. Oh my god. Then I'm gonna line the lips. I'm nervous, I'm nervous. I don't have even my current lipstick, my god. And I need to sharpen my pencil. Oh my god. 51 seconds, guys. And I'm going in with, I'm going in very lightly because I really don't. And of course I normally go in with a little gloss. We are 30 seconds in. Could I fix up the brows a little? Oh, the brows are unsavable. Let me just kind of just go in and kind of, because I don't know what I did with my brush, with my spoolie, guys. Yeah, I think that is our makeup. Alright, let me just take the excess time and just brush it up. Then I'm gonna just kind of comb down my hair real quick. And 2 seconds in, and guys, 5 minutes has passed. This is not a hair challenge. Hold on, let me pause this a bit. This is not a hair challenge, so I guess I can take the time to kind of get my hair right. They said 5 minutes to do your makeup, so let me see if I can get this as presentable looking as possible. And you know how when I normally do my makeup videos, I'm like posing like, and looking cute. I don't think I can pull off the cute look with these brows. Like, well, what I can say, I got through. I literally got through the makeup routine. And to be honest, guys, with a little less hassle, this is what I normally do. Like if I'm running to get something in town, or if I'm going to work, the only difference is that I might depending on if my brows are not freshly done, I will ensure that I go in and conceal and kind of clean up the brows. But once my eyebrows are freshly done, I just go in and I just kind of line them and I'm good to go. Yeah, but for the foundation routine, normally I don't really have blemishes. I'm really breaking out, and guys, I have a video coming up on that, on my breakouts and all of that. Yes, I don't really normally have anything to cover really, so it is like a quick so and so and so and so. What step did I miss? I skipped the step that I would normally spritz back my face again. I forgot that entirely. I would normally spritz my face again because it's powder, so when you spritz it, kind of sets the powder in, and so that it doesn't sweat off or it doesn't kind of move. But to be honest, I think the face is acceptable except the eyebrows. And I don't think it's so much how it was drawn in. I think it's more that because my eyebrows need to be shaved like really badly, so I think that is really where the problem is. But guys, tell me what you think. I wish I had someone here to judge my makeup, but I am alone and I'm trying to get this video in for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys to judge and tell me, what do you think about this makeup look? Let me just give you a bit of a close-up. You can still see my contour coming in, so we didn't do that bad. And my nose is kind of, you can see that I tried to do some work on this. But yeah, guys, this was completely fun to do, and I'm gonna challenge some persons. So let me think. First person I'm challenging, or I'm nominating to this challenge, is VIP Panda. Brittany's World did it already, so VIP Panda, Queen KB, Black Girl TT, a touch of Taryn. She did a makeup video, but was it a challenge? No. So a touch of Taryn, and who else? Why can't I think of anybody? Let me pause one moment and kind of think about it. I'm gonna nominate Hanging with Cam. I don't think she's ever done makeup video, but she's an all-rounder. She's a life tagger, and I really love, she's super funny, so I'd really love to see her do this challenge. So those are my 5 nominees, guys. Go ahead, don't break this chain. Go ahead and join the chain. Don't break the chain. Go ahead and let me see your videos, because I need to laugh pretty much. Okay, guys, so guys, this was something, I know my subscribers would be like, what is Sashelle doing? Like, what kind of content is this? But you know, sometimes you have to let her hair down and do things like this. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Toodle.